Hi, so I have one of these Samsung TVs and mine is a 58 inch here. So the model is CU7000, but this is also helpful for other models. So what I've noticed with some of the Samsung TVs is when I am watching fast motion, whether it's sports or racing or even something where there's just simple fast motion, there seems to be a blur or some choppiness to it. So what you do is you could actually fix that. So on your remote control, click to the settings. So you could toggle, you could keep on pushing this until the setting shows up. And for me, it was the first time and also the third time. I'm going to scroll all the way to the right here, to the last all settings button. So I'm going to go into settings and I am going to go into picture. So under picture, if I move down to the expert settings, go into the expert settings, I go down to picture clarity settings. So you notice in the picture clarity settings at the bottom here, I have custom. So I'm going to go in and you'll notice that there's jitter reduction. So here you could actually set it to, whatever you want. So if I go in and I am going to choose this, and now I could, choose 5 or kind of adjust it to my own level. So you might have to test this a couple of times, but for me 6 was fine, even 7 was fine. If you have to go lower, go lower. But normally this is at a 10. So if I go back, and normally if you go here and you say auto or you say even off, you could even basically turn it off, but I just have it at custom. And I set this to 6, and I also have the noise reduction at auto. So, but the motion and the jitteriness and also the blurry, kind of fast motion blurriness is really from this setting, the jitter reduction. So, try this out, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.